I've been riding motorcycles for a long time. I've owned sport bikes, I own a Yamaha VMAX, and I recently started looking for my next motorcycle. Not because I don't like the VMAX. Actually, that's the problem. I like it too much. As I've gotten older, my priorities have changed. I still want performance, I want excitement, but I also want more comfort. I want more fuel range. I want easier maintenance. I want a motorcycle that's easier to live with. So I thought the answer would be simple. Go ride some cruisers. I rode the Indian Chief Dark Horse. I rode the Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. I sat on a street bob. I looked at a fat bob. I explored the bikes that many riders eventually move toward, and something interesting happened. I didn't hate any of them. In fact, some of them were very good motorcycles. But every time I got back on the VMAX, I had the same thought: something is missing. It wasn't just horsepower. The VMAX is powerful, but that's not the whole story. It was the refinement, the precision, the way the controls feel, the way the drivetrain responds, the way the motorcycle seems to do exactly what you ask it to do. The cruisers were comfortable, some had better fuel range, some had easier maintenance, but none of them delivered the same overall experience. And that's when I realized something. Maybe I'm not looking for a cruiser. Maybe a lot of us aren't. Motorcycles today generally fall into a few categories: sport bikes, cruisers, touring bikes, and naked bikes. But what if there's a missing category? What if there are riders who want the refinement and performance of a sport-oriented motorcycle, the comfort and ergonomics of a cruiser, the simplicity of ownership that comes with less bodywork, and the emotional character that makes bikes like the VMAX special? If I could build my ideal motorcycle, it wouldn't be simply a new VMAX. It would be something new. A motorcycle with a powerful, refined engine, a lower seat height, more relaxed ergonomics, forward controls or adjustable controls, a larger fuel tank, minimal bodywork, easy maintenance access, premium controls and switchgear. A motorcycle built for riders who love performance but no longer want super sport ergonomics. The more motorcycles I rode, the more I realized I wasn't searching for a replacement. I was searching for something that doesn't currently exist. So I'm making this video for two reasons. First, I want to hear from other riders. Have you gone through the same thing? Have you been searching for a motorcycle that combines performance, refinement, comfort, and simplicity? And second, I hope the manufacturers are listening. Not because I think I have all the answers, but I think there's a growing group of riders who are asking the same question. What comes after the sport bike if you don't actually want a cruiser? Maybe the answer isn't bringing back an old motorcycle. Maybe it's creating a new category. And maybe that opportunity is sitting right in front of us. Let me know what you think in the comments.